till the day is gone for good. He took a shot to ease the pain, been standing inside the rain, but a bitter taste it lingered on, like the chord of the saddest song, confined in memories and shadows that he sees till the day is gone for good.
Ronaldo.
Till the day is gone for good. One single move to free his soul away from this murky road.